Come with me and my friends while we explore Wales' amazing waterfall, trekking through snow, driving through snowstorms, the whole lot. Checking out our Airbnb that we stayed in for the weekend.
And then you got the bog.
It's just a massive pub. Really cool. Hope you enjoy.
That's where we're staying, into Wales. There's two types of people. You got people in coats and you got me in a jumper. Prince of Wales free house. So this is just a pub, so I guess like a bed and breakfast that you'd be seeing regularly. I'm gonna come back in because my battery's dying on my camera and I really don't want that to happen. This is the Airbnb. So you got 3 beds. That's where I was sleeping. So you got this massive bathroom with these bright ass lights, a nice standing shower. Haven't used that yet, gonna use it later today, maybe tonight. And then you got the bog. So you got the light for the bog. And then you got the bog. And then you got a window in case, you know, you stink out the place. Amazing views. Yeah, so we're gonna head into town. Gonna probably go to Mountain Warehouse because we need to get some bits. And then I think we're gonna go check out some spots. We're gonna go look at a waterfall that we can walk behind, so that's gonna be fun. And then we might go, why not, go have a look at the Molise Tunnel. Molise Tunnel. I've made a video there. I'll link it in the description and in the card. But we're gonna probably go check that out and the waterfall. But yeah, the first stop is gonna be Mountain Warehouse to get some new thermals and everything just to be safe.
Hey YouTube, come have a look at this.
Yeah, we had a panic attack.
Panic attack. I don't think I got your reg plate.
Come to this woodland area. Taking some photos of my car. This is pretty cool, honestly. So you're just gonna see our days here in Wales. We've got till Sunday and we're gonna do some cool shit. This is honestly fucking beautiful. I haven't seen snow in about 10 years. Well, this snow this thick anyway.
This is fucking cool. Right here.
Ooh, okay. It's not as frozen as I thought it was. Yeah, well mate, if you get a license, then we get a camper, you can go under my insurance because I can actually have you under it now.
The money to actually,
Yeah.
I've been looking at it, the money to actually book a test and shit is fucking crazy. Oh, think you spend it once, you're calm for quite a while. clearing up.
There you go, got for person for you, mate.
I want to look at that.
Huh?
I want to look at that.
We'll get back in the car.
Nice.
It probably looks really autistic.
Can't what I was going for. I don't know. Sounds sick.
Oh, that's sick.
Hell yeah. Oh my god.
Now I can't get my glove back on. Nope, that's 2 fingers in one hole. Hey, belly another girl.
No, don't. Leave them alone.
They're nocturnal, mate.
They're not what?
Nocturnal?
Nocturnal.
Nighttime animals.
Okay.
That way? Yeah, I'll go and get the drone up here. Real quick. Just real quick. Jay, no money. Jay, no money.
Yeah.
Can you hold this?
Yeah, I mean, you just dissed me, but sure.
Well, it's not a diss if it's true. Damn. Ready?
Oh, no.
Going up.
Takeoff.
Sound.
Home point updated.
There we go. There you go. Go on. Oh my god, you go portrait? What?
Can't forget you guys. Right, let's go.
Oh, it's sweated and it's frozen. So following the path. Oh no, waterfall. That way. I'm worried because it's getting a bit.
Yeah, just don't.
Where's the fucking waterfall? There's lots of waterfalls.
One that has an E next to it, that one. That's where we're going. So we need to just... Oh yeah, we need to follow that path.
We need to follow that one.
Yeah.
You're here.
You guys want to come here?
Just any red
Go on.
trail.
Yeah. Okay. This is fucking cool, man.
It's just that my toes are like...
This is fucking stunning. Oh fucking hell, I'm boiling. We've made it to the waterfall. It is loud as shit. It is very loud. It's very muddy, and it is also almost getting dark. So
So we literally will spend like 5 minutes here and then go. Because I gotta drive back. Like, look at this. It is Scat E. Got a little waterfall there. That is crazy. I'm not even going to try and pronounce what this waterfall is called. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm dyslexic, I'm not going to even... You got that waterfall as well. That mist is cold. Yeah. And it gets dark really quick this time of year, so we're going to start heading back in a second. When Elise has come back from trying to make a wish with the genie. Huh? Cool, right? Yeah, we passed. Yeah, so one, and then we passed the other ones up there. Yeah, we need to get going.
Yeah. It's going to be dark in about 20. Elise, what are you doing?
Can see her. If you guys want to see more adventures like this, not just abandoned places, from this channel, leave a like, subscribe if you are new, and you are going to see absolutely anything travel related, because this is cool. What is she doing? She's over there. She's right there. Come on! Drenched right now. We're gonna get a move on now, so we're gonna get back to the car. Hopefully I've not been snowed in too much, and fingers crossed we can get back to the Airbnb safe.
That's not bad anyway.
Yeah, I found it. That's a tomorrow. I don't actually have anything. Can I just put it straight on the cheese?
What? Your pizza, I think you'd leave it in the wrapper, yeah.
Feel it? It's generally getting warmer.
That's usually how it came off the shelf.
Yeah. Cooking on a fucking electric heater.
Yeah, we're just keeping it quite close. It is like getting a bit like heated on the corners. So you might wanna...
Yeah, no one try this, please.
Don't follow what I do.
Don't follow us, we're actually homeless right now.
Basically.
Yeah, they're basically.
Feels it a bit.
Cooking off a heater.
Kick out the yard.
This one earlier.
And then this one here, then I reckon this one's a shooting star or something, so I don't really understand what the fuck that is, mate.
Did you move?
I was behind the camera.
Yeah, no shit. I'm asking, did you move for it?
No, it was like lent up. It was on, like lent up on the thing, and then this was just lent up on the floor.
Oh yeah, fair.
Coolies. A bit shit that one. Coolies.
GMC.
Fucking yeah.
I don't really see most of those very
I don't
often.
think I've ever seen one in England to be fair, an actual GM.
They're fucking. As you can tell, they're beasts.
Yeah, they are big stuff. It is not in the parking spot.
Well, they are American, aren't they?
Yeah. Yeah. It is American brand.
We kind of just got back from the waterfall, didn't really film much, and just kind of just hung out. So that's pretty much what we're doing. We just hung out, going through photos and videos on our phones, kind of just editing photos here and there. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know in the comments if you like this type of just anything goes travel wise. Not just abandoned places, but cool places like this.
That's a tiny ass fridge. I've only just kind of noticed how small this fridge is. It barely fits the cheese in it.
Barely fits any of our stuff in it. Like, you bought a big tub of mayo, just...
I didn't. That's the smallest thing they had. That is the smallest bit of mayonnaise I have, unless I get like some sachets
Why-
from McDonald's or some shit.
I was gonna say, why don't you just
I
fucking...
probably could have got some sachets
Yeah.
from McDonald's. Oh, nah. Alright, we're making...
That's how we're drying our shoes.
We had a better thing earlier, the little tent thing. That was lit. We'll build the tent back up, the little shoe tent. I don't know. Got cold.
So, it's been a tiring day.
We're gonna end the video here. I hope you guys did enjoy. We were actually just gonna have the video as one big video, but that'll be like 2-3 hours long, and I think it would be more enjoyable as separate videos. So hope you do understand. If you don't, then I don't care. But yeah, subscribe if you're new, leave a like if you enjoyed. Peace.